We out here, Arlington, doing a roof repair, torch down. We're not replacing the whole roof. We're just basically repairing the parts that need to be repaired, which is a small part. I could have tarred it, but I'm extra, so I wound up just re-rolling like 60, maybe 65% of the roof over again, just because I rather know that it's overdone than having to come back. This is a torch down. There's two different roofs, because the one we're doing is flat roof. It's strictly flat, no pitch. It was an add-on. As you can see behind me, we're not doing this roof, but that one is flat as well, but it does have a slope. It has a pitch. Yeah, the pitch is probably like 1 or 2. And in the state of Florida, it has to be rolled. If it's under 2, it has to be rolled and torched down. And, you know, of course, your seams have to bleed out, I think 3/8. I mean, not 3, yeah, but I think it's about is it 3/8? I believe it's so. I got to check that. But anyway, yeah, it's torched down. You see the equipment. We just got a propane tank. It's kind of small. If we was doing this whole roof, it definitely wouldn't be that one. I would bring out the big mama. You see your torch down. Of course, your gloves. You got your glass base. I'm actually teaching my guys. They kind of know already, but I'm teaching them how to just do the underlayment, the glass base sheeting. So, you know, they can do it, and that'll save me my back, my energy for the torch down. It is exhausting, and it's very, thank God we have shade, but it's very exhausting, and it's a lot of heat, so therefore you get tired quick. You always got to be careful with your surroundings. Like, for example, you see there's a lot of leaves, so we had to push the leaves out a little bit, and still that's still problematic, because any given moment the wind could blow and the leaf can catch on fire, and that's a lot of BS you got to deal with. So always be aware, even if you got to drench something down or just take the extra 10 to 30 minutes to just clear your area. Always keep a clean area. Be safe. Make sure you know what the next guy is doing, where you're at. Make sure when you're stepping back, straighten out the paper, that you know where you're walking so you don't step off the roof. And I'll let you take a look at what they're doing now. As you can see, these metal caps here.
Oh yeah, I see it.
They're metal, obviously, because we're dealing with fire. What you want to do is, also in the state of Florida, any overlaps or edges, they're going to be 4 to 6 inches apart from each other. As long as they're not over 6, I believe you're pretty much in the guidelines. You want them that way because it reduces the chance of the fire from the torch head or the blower to escape or get underneath your underlayment, which will cause a fire. And I don't know about you, but if I buy a house, it's because I'm living in it, not because I caught it on fire. In the middle section, you're going to go 12 out, meaning 12 inches apart, no more than 12. You can go under, but you'll just be wasting time and money. I mean, it'll be extra precaution. It'll be safer, but don't fix something that ain't broke, pretty much. That's pretty much it. So I'll probably give a picture or upload another video on what it looks like when we are complete. Stay tuned, and you'll see the next video. Yeah.